Are there any stocks on your watch list that you're considering buying soon but are still a bit hesitant about? Yes, always. I have a watch list of 70, 80 companies that I monitor, and if the price is good, if the price is right, I will buy them. So, I mean, I can show you what's on my watch list. I have a watch list on eToro and another personal watch list on my phone, so I will give you some ideas. You have the first one, Solvay, which is a value play, so it's all about value investing, a cheap stock that is reasonably good, but very cheap. Danaher, I'm still studying this company, quality name, but expensive. Ferrari, I love Ferrari, but just the price is too high, so I'm just waiting. Same thing for Adobe. I hesitated to buy Adobe this summer, but the price was still too high, and when they reported earnings, the price shot up like plus 12%, plus 15%, and then it went back to expensive level. So that's something that I don't want to see. If the earnings were bad, I maybe would have bought it. You have OSB Group, which is a small bank in the UK that nobody likes. Nobody loves the stock. Nobody knows the stock, but it's growing with a lot of cash, with a lot of buybacks. The management is good. The industry is challenging though, so I'm still studying the company. AutoNation, I've bought it. Lithia Motors, I've bought it. Process, I just sold it. Games Workshop is one of the company I like the most. It's about the Warhammer toys. So good company, good management, good growth. Business model is really simple. They have 2 factories and they build toys, and they have Plateau Games licenses, TV series about the Warhammer license. And I know the gaming industry, the video game industry really well. So I completely understand the mindset. I completely understand the growth. Games Workshop, really a great company for the future. The price right now, I'm hesitant. It's a bit expensive. Maybe if it drops more, I will buy. So that's exactly your point. You're hesitant to buy. This is Games Workshop. Stenovus, it's an all play. I have found better. Celanese, it's about chemical. It's chemical company. I find it too complex, too difficult for me. But yeah, it's in my watch list. If the price is good, maybe I will open a small position, but that's not in the plan. That's not in the backlog. So Celanese is also one of the companies which is really strong on the watch list. You have Credit Acceptance. Also, it's very famous. Maybe you know it. A lot of buybacks, a lot of growth. They are having some temporary issues, and the price is not cheap to buy it. NVR, one of the best companies in the world, actually. One of the best stock in the world. And the price is not that high. It's just that I have found better. But if the price drops, the price of NVR drops, I will maybe buy it, because that's definitely something that will be up in 5 years, in 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. The company is so strong. So yeah, that's in my watch list. Williams Sonoma, I sold it recently, and that's what on my watch list. I have another watch list on not Guru Focus, on investing.com. So what is interesting here? Something, I have Toro company. This is a stock, a company about lawn mowers, and the company is strong. It went up 100 times over 40 years, so 100 bagger, and I don't find it really cheap this summer. Same thing for Adobe, by the way. The thing shot up to the moon, plus 20% because of good earnings. So yeah, I'm just waiting. You have Simpson Manufacturing, something related to home building, construction. Great company, small company. Nobody knows this company, but it's great. Management is great. I analyzed it deeply, so I really know what it is about, and the price shot up, so not expensive, but still on my watch list. I mean, if we have a housing crash, this should be very good. You have, what do we have? Something that I'm hesitant. I have some stocks, maybe 50 stocks on my personal watch list here, other in my computer here, but what I'm hesitant to buy right now, I think that's it. You have another stock that I like a lot is Asbury Group, ABG. Oh, I think it's here on the watch list here. I have an order. Asbury Automotive Group. It's a small car dealership in the US. And again, nobody loves the stock. The growth is good. EPS growth is good. Management is good. And the price is cheap. PE ratio of 6. So they don't deserve a PE ratio of 6. Everybody thinks that the business will crash. The margins will decrease. My guess is margins will stabilize. So maybe it's a good buy. I have bought similar companies like AutoNation, like Lithium Motors, and maybe I have bought a 3% position in AutoNation, 3% position in Lithium Motors, so that makes 6% of car dealerships. Maybe I will buy soon this one, Asbury Automotive Group, so 333, you have 9% of the portfolio related to car dealerships. I mean, this car dealership industry, these are good businesses at a cheap price. So maybe this could be something. Well, I guess you have a lot of names now.